Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create a calendar design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. If you haven't watched our previously published lessons, I strongly recommend you to watch them. The video's playlist link is available in the description box. So this is the size I have taken to design a calendar. You have to create a new document. Here I have taken the unit in inches. Width is 6 inches and height is 7 inches. Orientation is in portrait mode and I have taken the bleed 0.125 inch. As we have discussed in our previous tutorials, that bleed is important for printing. Then you will click on Create. So the artboard of the given size will appear. Now let's start with our calendar design. So I'm going to make the design using the pen tool. This is how you can create calendar design of every month. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.